Book of Heaven, Volume 2, April 12, 1899. Jesus says to her, "Today, without making me wait too long, Jesus came quickly and told me,
'You are my tabernacle.' Being in the sacrament is for me the same as being in your heart, or rather, in you I find something more. I am able to share my pains with you and to have you together with me, a living victim before divine justice, which I do not find in the sacrament."
And while saying these words, he enclosed himself inside of me. While being inside of me, Jesus would make me feel now the pricks of the thorns, now the pains of the cross, the labors and the sufferings of his heart. Around his heart, I could see a braid of iron spikes, which made Jesus suffer very much. Ah, how much pity I felt in seeing him suffer so much. I would have wanted to suffer everything myself, rather than let my sweet Jesus suffer. And from the heart, I prayed him to give to me the pains, to me the suffering. Jesus told me,
"Daughter, the offenses which most pierce my heart are the masses said sacrilegiously, and the hypocrisies."
Who can say what I comprehended in these two words? It seemed to me that externally one shows that he loves and praises the Lord, but internally he has poison ready to kill him. Externally, one shows that he wants the glory and the honor of God, while internally he seeks his own honor and esteem. All the works done with hypocrisy, even the holiest ones, are works completely poisoned, which embitter the heart of Jesus. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.